This is the infamous Donner Lake right here. I have to go through the state park here before I leave. Show a little bit of that. It's really cold over here too, by the way. Really cold. Like huge drop in temperature in the last mile or so. Alright guys, there it is in all its beauty. We're gonna get a different view here in just a minute though. This is a pretty good view here, of course, because it's a beautiful lake. I mean, look at it. The backdrop of the mountains, absolutely stunning. But there's a better view coming, okay? I promise you. I promise you. Snow. I don't know how clear this road is up here. I don't know. This might not be able to go up there. I don't know. It's absolutely beautiful though. But these tunnels that are up there, they're these abandoned train tunnels, and you can see them on the other hill over here too. But the whole thing is absolutely full of graffiti. Like the entire tunnel. It's really cool. It's like a local spot. So I'm gonna go up there one of these days with the old lady, and we're gonna walk through all the tunnels for a little date. It's a really cool spot, and I'll get a little bit of footage and show you guys. It's a really cool spot though. There's some, you know, horrible, crappy graffiti, and then there's some really like skillful stuff up there though too, you know. So you see the tunnels up here on the mountainside there. So I don't know how, there's definitely a lot of snow up there, so I don't know how the road is, but I'm gonna see. I would think that I can get up to the pass up here and get some footage. I don't know, we'll have to see. We're gonna go up and see how it is. It's definitely colder over here than it was back in the other side of Truckee there, you know. And it's like 20 degrees colder up here for sure, just in this area, than it was down in Reno today. So we'll have to see how it is. Definitely a beautiful lake though, breathtaking views. I mean, once you get up there, and I've hiked up to the top of these peaks, and it's super cool. But right now, obviously, it's not exactly the day to be hiking up to the top, because for one, I don't have no snow boots, you know. So there's that. So we're gonna see how it is up here. If it gets icy at all, I'm turning around and coming back though. I'm not gonna wreck this bike over waiting another day or two, you know. But you can see the tunnels again right here. It's a beautiful place. Too. We got a lot going on, not just this little trip around here. It's big trips all across the country. We're gonna go to so many beautiful places, so I hope you guys are all gonna join me and tag along and hang out and keep me company on some of these things. The gate's open, that's a good thing. Hey, it's looking pretty good. I'm hoping it's not too sandy too, you know, and I got my tank bag and everything on here, so I'm not exactly super comfortable hauling ass on this anyways. And I really don't know this road yet, so we're gonna have to hit it a few times. And look, there's a lot of water in the corners too. I have no idea if it might actually be freezing out right now too. I'm not sure what the temperature is. I should check when I get up to the top. After it gets all dried out and nice out though, we'll come and rip this a couple times before I leave. Too bad. Road is rougher than shit though. This just looks like it's gonna be icy too. It's fine in the sunshine, but some of these little spots behind the hill, man, I don't know, you could just feel the temperature drop like 10 degrees right here in spots like this. This is rough. Look at there already. Look at the view already. Man, it's a beautiful place. And you always got people on these passes like this that want to cut over the yellow line. So now you can see the tunnels here real well. But we're gonna go, you can see some of the graffiti on it already, but we're gonna go hike through there. It's literally like, it's like a whole nother world. Look at the sand on the road too. This is not a road I really want to rip too hard. At least until they come up and fucking sweep it off, if they do, because, oh fuck, this sand is making me fucking nervous. I don't want to wash out. This bike is so fucking clean. So clean. But at the same time, I just want to fucking throttle out and fucking have some fun. So I literally haven't driven this road though. I rode on it the other day. My brother-in-law came up and he shredded it on his Porsche, and that was the first time I've rode it in I think 5 or 6 years since I've been here. So you can see the entrance to the tunnels here. And usually there's parking here, and there's no parking right now, so I couldn't even get up there if I wanted to, honestly. But you can see where people have been snowboarding it too. So, still though, beautiful place though. Even without doing the extra stuff, absolutely beautiful. That's so sandy. Holy shit. I think I'll be able to live stream walking through the tunnels, guys. So make sure you guys are checking out for that. Also, anybody new here, my name's Gamer. How you guys doing? I play video games on stream, on Twitch. Also do a lot of bike riding on YouTube. I'm doing a bunch of cross-country trips from East Coast to West Coast, warming up to do the Pan American from the top of Alaska to the bottom of South America. So you guys, if you're into riding, we're definitely going to be doing some riding. So make sure you guys are checking it out. I really don't like how sandy this road is. Anyways, lots of things coming up. I'm going to be continuously doing this, continuously putting out content. So you guys, if you're here and you're checking out this video and you think this place is beautiful, this is just one of thousands of places that we're going this year. So make sure, oh look at that, there's the lake, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. With the mountains in the backdrop, that is just amazing. All right, so make sure you guys hit that follow button, hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Twitter, make sure to do both, all right? Hit that follow button, show some love. I'm doing a lot out here trying to make sure to bring you guys some amazing content and take you to some beautiful places. So maybe I'll go some places you've been before. Maybe I'll be in your neighborhood. I got a website as well. It's so it's OOLL Gamer LLOO.com. Those aren't I's, they're not ones, they're not zeros, they're L's and O's. So you can call me Ogre Malou if you want, that works. But make sure you guys stop by the website, check it out. I got a blog going there that's going to keep up with everything as I make these trips. There's also a way to sponsor me there. So if you guys want to get some stickers and get some merch and get access to some content that's not going to be available to everybody, some live streams and things, make sure you guys check out the sponsorship page. We are in the process, just got the website started, so bear with us, but eventually you'll be able to connect with everything there. Also, all my social links and everything are there. So, oh, it's a pretty cool little waterfall and a pretty ugly dead animal on the road there. But anyways, make sure you guys check it out. I'd appreciate it a ton. Make sure you follow on Twitter, subscribe on YouTube. Hell, subscribe on Twitter if you guys want, you know? If you like what you see. But make sure to tune in. I mean on Twitch. Make sure to tune in on Twitch too, because when we're doing live streams, we're going to be going to some of these places. It's not just going to be gaming anymore. We're really stepping out, making these bike rides happen. It takes a ton of effort, a ton of time, and we're sinking a ton of money into it. So any support we can get whatsoever is much appreciated. Of course, it's not required. There will be some extra benefits for some of the sponsors, but anything that I'm doing on Twitch is going to be free to watch. You don't have to sub, you know. I would appreciate the follow. Of course, I would appreciate the sub and donations and whatnot, but you don't have to do that. We're gonna be putting out content anyways. And then of course on the YouTube, the subscription is free. It's just like following on Twitch. So I'd appreciate that as well. Keep you informed when I'm going live and when I'm gonna have new videos out and whatnot. We're gonna have a ton of content, so make sure to check it out. Check me out on Instagram, check me out on Twitch, check me out on Twitter, check me out on YouTube, check me out on Facebook. Come check me out in real life, all right? Check out the webpage there if you want to keep up with where I'm at. We don't have it up yet, but we're gonna put an app on there that's gonna have like a tracking thing on me so that you guys can meet up with me IRL. If you guys want to go ride, want to show me where to shred, you can hit me up. We can go ride. So. Alright everybody, that was it for the ride there, so I'm going to go ahead and sign out here, but much love everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for checking out this amazing place, guys. This is Donner Lake, right outside of Truckee, California. Just north of Lake Tahoe, which is also just a stunning place. We're going to have some videos of that coming out too. We've already made some, but we had some audio issues, so we're getting that all fixed up. We're going to have new content coming out, so like I said, trying to do it on a daily basis, but I'm also trying to balance getting out here and riding. So, you know, maybe we'll have some more snow days and we'll get caught up on the content. But anyways, you guys stay blessed, all right? One love. Everybody out there riding, stay safe. Remember, dress for the slide, not the ride. You guys be fucking careful. There's a bunch of idiots out here trying to kill you when you're on a bike, all right? Be safe, everybody. One love. That was slippery.